Okay, so this is a perfect example of why I made these guys here. And this just so happens to be a fender that I stretched myself, and it's already been painted candy blue with silver leaf. And it does not, the customer wants a rail put on it, but it does not have anything to bolt it to. So this will have to be panel bonded to this. So next video will be applying everything onto it. Okay, so the first step is to set this up where it's going to be. Then I would mark it with a marker, just like this. So now when I go to remove this, I have a mark and something to go off of. So then I could take something like this and grind it down, clean it up, so I could then mount it. Well, so now it's ready. Really quickly, got that scuffed. You want to keep it somewhat scuffed. You don't want to polish it or anything. And then you want to make sure that this side is decently scuffed, maybe like a 36 grit or a low grit sandpaper, so that way the adhesive will adhere. So if anybody does want this kit, it will come with this guy, the main plate, a lock nut, a piece of sandpaper, just a little piece of sandpaper just to make sure everything is scuffed right. Looks like a little putty knife, and this is the plunger to push this in. This just twists on. So, and obviously you're going to want a piece of cardboard or something you could just throw away because the epoxy will harden up. So I can't hold the phone and mix it all up, so next video will be it mixed and being applied. Okay, so looks to me like half of this will be plenty, and it looks like I have plenty left over. So I went ahead and applied it. Take this guy and then line it up, make sure it's straight, and then you're going to want to clamp it somehow, or at least push it down, and make sure that the epoxy is as thin as you can get it as you push it down, because the thinner it is, the stronger the bond, because the thicker the epoxy is, the more it's able to flex and or break. So you want it to be pretty thin, and obviously trying to keep it centered. And I'm thinking I might actually come up with some kind of little throwaway guide that maybe gives you a good idea of where it should sit. But so for now, let's just take and make sure this is fully engulfed around the outsides. That way we don't get any creases or any air pockets underneath. So when it solidifies, that is fully bonded in there. And then now let's just wait it out. Now it's just gotta set. Not sure exactly how long yet, but I have this to test to see the strength or how hard it gets at intervals. So I will let you know.